Hello traders, just about to sell. Yep. I'm going to place orders below right here, okay, to sell Nike at 9793. Limit orders to sell Nike at 9793. This is a top dog. This is a big dog day trading tips for today, the 25th, Tuesday, the 25th of November 2014. Big dog day trading tips for November 25th, 2014. The time in London is now 5 minutes past 3 p.m. In New York, 5 minutes past 10 a.m. All right, placing a limit order to sell Nike at 9793. Let's see where I place my stop loss to control the risk or to manage the risk. 974. 1 second, please. 57. Okay, great stuff. I want to place my stop loss 40 pip above this level here. All right, 57. Okay, that's it. Place my stop loss 9857. All right. Call on my oh, hold on. Let's see this is order field. Okay, you see here. Orders field. Okay, we are in this trade now. All right. Okay. Great stuff. Great stuff. So selling Nike at 9793, stop lot at 9857. Already in this trade. Selling Nike for day trading purposes. All right. Now, when we are talking about day trading purposes, it means that we want to remain in the trade for a short period of time. If we get paid within 1 hour, if we have a reasonable profit within 1 minute, we will take it. Within 5 minutes, we will take it. Within 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, we will take it. Maximum 2 hours. Sometimes it may drag on, but we will prefer when we are day trading to get in at the right moment and get paid as soon as possible. All right? So I know what you are thinking now. You say, George, you are on a 5-minute chart as you did that time. Big dog. Okay. Day trading tips. All right. Yeah, you see it's dropping nicely now. So nice. So why am I selling? I think that's a very good question. Because if you are TSTW24 trader, all right, what are we looking for first? All traders should know now we are looking for a reliable trade setup. Once we see that, we go to the first best time frame, and then we will use the TSTW24 day trading system. You can build your own trading system. There are many ways traders can enter a trade, but for TSTW24 traders, they must use the first best time frame. All right? Steadily, okay? We don't want to fight the market. We want to flow with the market. All right? Why am I selling, okay, Nike? Okay, I have some reasons. Okay. You see here, I draw some line here on the a few months ago. I was analyzing Nike in one of the videos about Elliott wave. We have here, I have counted 5 waves. This video is not about Elliott wave, but I just tell you why I'm selling it, okay? I have counted 5 Elliott wave recently, okay? This is first wave, follow my cursor. This is the first wave, second wave, and the third wave, and the fourth wave, all right? And then we have the 5th wave that is extended. It's an extension of the 5th wave, because if the first wave and the third wave are not extended, are not very strong, especially if the third Elliott wave is not very, very strong, all right, we are likely to see an extension of the 5th wave. There are another way I can put this to traders. Feel free to disagree with me. If you will see that the fourth wave is quite deep. All right, if the fourth wave is quite deep, you can see here it nearly go into the range of the first wave. All right, there's a high chance that the fifth wave will be extended. There will be no extension if the fundamentals are not solid. All right, remember that. So the wave theory plus the fundamental trading. So with this wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, big 5, this from here to here, that's the 5 waves. In my view, we are at the end of the fifth wave for Nike on the yearly chart. It will take some time before everybody sees what we see. All right. So that's why I think there's a resistance here around the level of 100 for Nike. Okay. So what I will say to traders, priority to sell signal, swing trading, position trading. Okay. Provided that we receive a sell signal below the level of 100. You see the price 100 here. All right. If the price goes above 100, well, don't fight it. Because if it goes, okay, above this resistance around 100, where I set my target for the end of the extended fifth wave. All right? So this is my setup. So I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. Fifth wave has been extended. The price reached 100 zone, all right, using the channel projection, everything that I've done before in the previous video that I posted on 248 YouTube channel. Though this video is for George Trio channel, there's a resistance in this. I'm near the 100 level. So my strategy is very simple. I'm giving priority to sell signal below the level of 100. So from the yearly chart, I can go directly to a lower time frame, 3-minute chart, 1-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 10-minute chart, to look for opportunity to sell or buy. My apology to traders. All right. So now I'm on the 5-minute chart. In a resistance zone, you see the red line that I draw on the yearly, I draw before. All right, which is the resistance zone. You can see that in this zone, the price that you see here, it gap up. Gap up. It's a bullish progression, isn't it? So if something is very strong, it gap up. But look, as it gap up, it only goes down, not even stop at the starting point of the gap. So it looks to me, orders were placed around the level of 100 to sell. So the market makers force the price to the level of 100 to fill these orders. You remember what I said to you before? Where there are orders, that's where the price will go. All right? Because orders need to be filled. Understand that. Level 2 trading, level 3 trading, all this blah, blah, blah. All right? Just put it very simple. Okay? That's how I like it. Keep things very simple. Where there are orders, that's where the price will likely to go. Follow the money. If the money is packed up here, the price like this order will go there. The market makers will make their money when these orders are filled. They get commission. So probably the reason why the price gap up from here to here is because this level here were filled with orders to sell. So price gap up to fill this order because these are sell orders. You see, he rolled it down even went below this level. So far, this is my interpretation. The problem that traders face sometimes when they are using TSCWSY USUA or TSCW24, the fluctuation. Why the price fluctuates? Sometimes it will be nice for the price to hit a level and change direction and continue to go down. There is a fight always going on between the bulls and the bear. All right? So as the price dropping down, some people say we should buy it more. The fundamentals are solid. And this thing has a future. They have more market share. Yes, but there is a time when people should take a little bit of profit. It doesn't mean that the financial instrument is bearish or the fundamentals are poor, but this is just a market cycle, profit-taking season, harvest time. Nothing wrong with the product, nothing wrong with the share, nothing wrong with the management, but people want to take profit. But sometimes there are some crazy fundamental traders who think that they should buy non-stop forever. All right, which is crazy. All right. So you want to buy something, buy at a reasonable price where you can also gain something out of it. It's very simple. So that's why I was selling Nike at 9793. I'm already in this trade, and I'll be talking to you now 10 minutes. I don't want this video to go beyond 20 minutes. At one stage, I may have to pause the video just to wait until we see more action, and we will come back to it and see what's happening. So far, I entered the trade at 9793, stop loss at 9857. I'm above this level. Again, looking at the price itself, you can see that there's something going on here on this 5-minute chart. Look at the price display high here, okay? So it's a bit of weakness showing up here, okay? So we want to enter the trade. We see what's happening, analyze the price. There was a lower high. As the price is pulling back, we didn't display a lower low compared to this one. But then, again, though this is a weakness of this move to the downside, price couldn't go above this high again. So it's finding it very difficult to go above this level. That's why I saw this straight away here. All right. So first time, it went down big time, pulled back, tried to go up, people selling it. But you see that this session here, the bear were not very strong. If they were very strong, they probably would go beyond this low at least, but they didn't. But the funny thing that is happening now is that though this is a weakness for the bearish move that has started from here going down, analyzing the price, they couldn't bring it back above this high. So, I mean, ladies and gentlemen, somebody is selling in this session. So I want to sell together with these people. All right, you see now? Very simple, very simple. All right, so let's put my thing out now again. Let's see, okay, the volume bar, okay? We are on the 5-minute chart. The volume bar, when you are using the volume bar, use it from the higher time frame before going to the lower time frame. But we can zoom into the volume bar on the lower time frame also. So you see on the 21st of November 2014, we see this tall volume bar. The volume bar is telling us, okay, increase in trading activity. Now, as I explained to traders at www.dayprotrader.com, okay, volume stock trading, check that webpage at dayprotrader.com when I explain to the traders few tips about trading volume bar. Because what I've noticed on YouTube, a lot of professionals do not want to share their secrets, so to speak, all right, about the volume bar. When I start trading first, I look for a lot of information, and I find it very difficult to understand the volume bar. But finally, when I understand it, I share it for free. Very simple. All right. What do we want? We want non-daily market, nothing too high. When more traders are trading like a pro, we make more money. When more traders are trading like a crazy, we lose money. All right. That's why I share things for free. All right. But do not share anything that is confidential. I tell you, in this market, don't do it. All right. Somebody gave me that advice in the past, and I said to traders, anything that is confidential, do not share it. Even with your friend, don't share with them. Anyway, I mean, you can do your own thing, but in the stock market, don't do it, okay? All right. All right. So we are in this trade. 30 minutes has passed. The price went back above my entry point. Now it's coming back down. How long will it take? I don't know. So we just wait until we get paid. The sooner, the better. All right. Again, another thing I need to mention to traders, talking about a big dog day trading tips. What I'm trying to do is to share with traders real-time day trading tips. When I enter a trade, what is happening? What am I doing? What am I looking for? So you can see it. Maybe you learn something from it. All right. Maybe you see some mistake that I made, or that will open you and say, hey, George, I don't believe that George can make that stupid mistake. All right. That will, okay, wake you up a bit. That's all. All right. Another thing I need to mention to traders before I post the video for the first time is that I enter the trade around 10 a.m. Very often I do that. Why? So the New York will open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. The first 30 minutes, we want the 30-minute candle to close. If you are day trading during the New York session or any market, wait for the first 30 minutes to close. It's one of the rules that we use for the TSTW24 traders. All right. So at 10 a.m. it's the best time if you are trading the New York session to come into the market, which is 3 p.m. London time. That's why I waited till now to start this recording. You will see that in the previous video also, I start recording a video, day trading around 10 a.m. Eastern time. Be aware of the first candle on a 30-minute chart. It gives us a feel of the market because the first 30 minutes, professional orders should be filled, profit taking, all right, all sorts of activities happening. These are not real trade, these are market activity. So we wait for the first 30 minutes to close, and then you can highlight the high, the low of that candle, and take it from there, all right? From the higher time frame to the lower time frame. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm recording this video now for 15 minutes. I'll pause it for the first time, and we will come back to it. But before I pause the video, I will go back again to my 5-minute chart, and I will place a vertical line at the point where we are pausing the video, so I do not cheat at all, all right? There's no point to cheat, okay? It's not a public show. All right, so pausing the video at this stage. The time now is 19 minutes past 3. Now 20 past 3 in London, New York 20 past 10 a.m. Pausing the video for the first time. I'll speak to you soon. Okay, traders, we pause the video here. As you can see, my vertical lines here. And since then, the price just going up and down on these 5-minute charts. So not much is going on now. The time now is 6 minutes past 4 p.m. in London. In exactly 54 minutes, London will be closed. In New York, 6 minutes past 11. What I will do now is to pause the video again because I want this video to be under 20 minutes. So we pause it again, and we will come back to it and see whether I'm going to get paid or not. You see, when above my entry point is going back below it, we'll see what's going to happen. This is what we call a bullish cow. Stock like Nike, Google, Apple stock. Okay, these are very bullish stock, and sometimes may find it very difficult to go down. So pausing the video for the second time, and we'll come back to it to see what is happening here. So speak to you soon. Okay, traders, we pause the video here, and since then, as you can see, it's a bit slow now. In exactly 1 minute time, London will be closed. Exactly 30 seconds, London will be closed. We will be going into what we call the gap period. All right. So far, the price now at 9779, 13 pip, 13. What I will do, I will let it run, okay, but I will have to pause the video here. The most important thing that you understand something from this video has been taken too long. I will pause it again, and I will come back to it because I want it to be under 20 minutes. So I'm a bit under pressure. So as I put it here, we'll come back to it and see how this trade now, okay, will work. Whether I will get paid before we close the video, or maybe I'll get paid later, okay? So speak to you soon. Pausing the video again, all right? Let's speak to you soon. Okay, traders, come out of this trade now. Not too bad, somewhere here, came out here at 9764. Time to wrap it up and close this video. We are now 18 minutes 27. I got 1 minute left for this trade. It can go down more. But for the purpose of the video, okay, we'll stop here. As you can see, we see a valley set up, and we go from the higher time frame, and then we switch to the lower time frame, looking for bearish pattern or bearish setup or trading on the edge. This is the end of this video about Big Dog Day trading tips on the 25th of November 2014. I hope you have learned something for this video also, and we put into use, okay, to make excellent day trading decision. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon.